Okay, the next award is for Best Editing, and this goes to Nathan Laolagi for A Revenge Story.
Chris? Hello everybody, thank you. This is great. I'd like to thank my casting crew sitting up there. I'd also like to thank my mom and her friend and Dan Wesley and his wife Jude for coming out. And yeah, just thank you all for coming out. And also hats off to all the other films. You guys, I know how much hard work it takes, and thank you everybody.
And the award for Best Director goes to Nathan Laolagi for A Revenge Story.
Wow. Once again, I don't know what to say, but there's just so much hard work that has been put into this, and I also know that there's so much hard work put into everyone else's films, and I'd like to just thank everybody that was a part of this, and also everyone that attended. I know that I keep on thanking everybody that attended, but thank you so much for taking the time to watch our work, and thank you to my mom. She's waving at me. Wave at me. So thank you. And thank you everyone for your time.
And it's great to see our future filmmakers sitting right in front of us here this evening. And it was very hard to determine best in film. And it is well deserved, and I believe you guys will all agree on this person. Without further ado, Ian.
Okay, so Best Picture. Remember, teacher, student, Adam. Okay, Best Picture goes to Nathan Laolagi for A Revenge Story.
This is not my award. This is everyone that was involved in the picture. This is your award. So thank you so much.
Congratulations on behalf of the Cypress College Patrons.
Thank you so much.
Do you want to say anything else?
I love everyone in this room.